A very good afternoon. I'm Dr. Sarika Makol, Associate Professor, Sage Group of Institutions. Today I'm talking about interview etiquettes for MBA students so that it can help them in their interviews because that is the one of the most important thing after doing your MBA. So this is a topic from communication skills. So let us talk about interview etiquettes. Before going further, I must tell you about the meaning of interview etiquettes. It refers to codes of conduct an individual must follow while appearing for interviews. It is the behavior, language, and empathy that you deploy during a job interview. Because of these three criterias only, the interviewers will select their candidates and found the perfect job fit. Because nowadays, work is not much more important rather than your behavior, language, and empathetic things in you. So we must, as an interview, we always try to find those etiquettes in the candidate which should be there in that apart from their educational qualifications. Then here we'll talk about your qualifications and skills are only the part of what the hiring manager is looking for, as I've already explained you. Except that they depend largely on how you behave at the interview. So nowadays, behavior is much more important than your educational qualifications. So basically, they need the answer of these three questions among you. That is, what you do, what you say, and how you say it. The most important thing is how you say it. The major portion of your interview depends on your this etiquette, how you behave, how you say it. So you'll have to appear professional, confident, as well as capable. So now these are the various steps one should have under as the form of interview etiquettes, which is crucial for making a positive impression during the job interviews. You can show your qualifications, educational qualifications, or academic qualifications, but you have to prove yourself in these etiquettes. Only then you would be selected in the interviews. So the first and the foremost etiquette among you should be punctuality. You should be punctual enough to reach on time at the venue of the interview, or if it is a virtual interview, so you should be on time online. Then your appearance, which is the must. Professional appearance should be there. Your appearance should be formal. You should in a proper dress code. Then you should research your homework. You should know about the company well, that what about the whole company is, and what things this company is dealing with, and you are here for which profile and what they are demanding from you as a responsible person. Then you have to bring your necessary documents like your resume, your other credentials with you in a proper format, in a proper way, in a proper folder. Then your body language speaks a lot, as we all say that action speaks louder than your words. So the way you behave in front of the interviewers will tell much more about your etiquettes as well as your behavior. Then you should be an active listener. You should listen first and then respond. Try to listen the things properly and then try to respond, not to react in front of the interviewers. Then the attitude of yours should be positive. It should be a kind of a learning attitude, not to be a ordering attitude. Then you need to try to avoid all distractions and be attentive while the interview is going on. You can ask questions, but that should be relevant one, and you need to answer them properly. You should take the follow up of the interviews. Then you can handle the salary discussions very appropriately. It should not like that it would seem like that you are only interested in the package or the salary packages rather than the work profile. There could be a questions which shows that how much you will be able to handle the stressful situations and the challenges which can come in the field of your work while doing the work. So that could be handled gracefully by you by giving the answers. So this is all about the various steps of interview with the help of which if you just follow all these steps in your life or all these etiquettes while going for the interview, that it is must that it is 100% sure that you will get a good job and you will definitely get through that very particular interview. So I hope you would be able to understand that what is interview etiquette. So that's all from my side. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.